What?
You said your windows are open, so I can't make noises. Is it not coming through headphones? Or are you playing with speakers?
Okay then.
What?
Oh, nothing, never mind.
Hockey? I'm confused.
What?
Don't make a joke and then not follow up, man. Not cool.
What?
What is going on?
I'm just fucking with you, dude.
I don't even know I'm flat. Like, I don't think I'm flat anymore. I should be in gold or something. I don't know.
Holy.
My healing spell is upon you. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Attackers incoming. Defend objective A.
We're just gonna have to let him take space and then take it back, I think.
Watch this!
Oh my god, where I am. Shit.
What? Dead. I need help, I need help, I need help. Bro. Heal right now.
Thank god, thank you.
What the fuck?
Always stop.
I was going after
him. Boarded and he had about 10 HP and I was the only one trying to kill him.
I was going after him, I just died.
Alright,
Vicar slow.
we need a diva.
Can we have Diva or something? Because I can't
Yeah.
hold it anymore. I really. Oh shit.
You guys let this McCree shit on you. God damn, he has ult? Oh, never mind.
Okay, we should, like, I mean, I should focus on their healers or whatever.
I'm playing diva.
Someone want to take deeps? Someone just grab deeps. Oh, okay. We need
I got my ult.
whatever.
I mean, it's pretty soon. Yeah.
Knock me down and I'll keep getting back up.
Sim Torb.
Anything else down here? Nope, not that.
Symmetra left.
McCree's one going for health pack in the back.
Symmetra on the top. Symmetra slow.
I absorbed it, it's okay. He's
Can I
discording.
still heal up here? Like,
Nice! Keep up the healing, guys.
I thought we had Virginia.
Alright, I'm good, I'm good.
Sim's on the left roof. Stuff on the left roof.
Where's the teleporter up
I
top?
couldn't kill it. I couldn't kill it.
Oh shit!
Hey, can someone help me to break this freaking...
Oh, yikes.
Boom.
That's a bad tranks.
Boom. There you go.
What's going on?
Where is everybody?
I don't know, we should blow
I
some
don't
ults
know, I'm
though.
here.
Teleporter's down, good job, Winston.
Can some heal? Duck! There we go. Thank you.
Fucking absorbed, pussy.
Dude.
Give a fuck, dude. I told you you needed a diva to get on top of that McCree. Oh.
I'm trying to get up top.
Man, there's our Okay, my bad. That was my bad. That was my bad, yeah.
They're all one. They're all one. Get in
I
there.
can't
Get
do
in
it.
there.
I hate their Zarya so much.
Yo, why are you guys pussies? Let's go. They're all 1 health. Oh.
Careful. Oh,
I
God.
was in the building, but I was trying to jump over the counter.
I don't know what our tanks are doing, but literally their whole team has 1 health, and both of them didn't go in.
D.Va slow. Got him.
What do you? I did go in. I went in and died.
Well, we must be talking about different instances, 'cause I was above and I saw the whole thing. Nobody went in.
I have it on
Something
stream, you fucking
Thanks,
idiot.
Mercy.
Jeez.
Like I said, we
Don't
must be
fight.
talking
Fight
about
with
different
Derek.
instances. Stop screaming.
Don't fight daddy.
Exactly. Here's my yell.
Fucking
Thanks,
Tom,
Diana.
get the fuck out of here. Hey, McCree's back in the prison. D.Va's right side, right side. Careful.
This slow. Got him.
I got you, Mercy.
Got her. I'll break the port. Oh, okay. Bye.
Pushing car back.
Got you, girls. Don't worry.
Boop. Boop.
Good job getting their teleporter.
Guys, they're all up here.
Up
on
top.
the right
So
roof.
I can go up and do something. Or not.
I killed it.
Cars on the ground,
Had
need
the
help.
suicide
Over here.
control.
Increase. 1. Low. Oh, I'm gonna lie.
Oh, I just got all 2, motherfucker.
60 seconds remaining.
There's a Symmetra camping in the base near the door. You guys kill the turrets.
I think you're going more as low as fuck.
Symmetra is still camping. I cannot exit the fucking base.
Where's the?
Have some yell. Up here. Mercy, right next to you.
Back
Oh,
then.
God, thank you.
Were you guys able to clear the stuff in the base?
No, I'm still trying to get out of the base, dude. I cannot get out.
What?
Why? There's no one here.
Because there's
no
a
one
million
here.
turrets at the exit of every
Okay,
door.
but that doesn't mean there's just a
Junkrat.
metro here. It means you're bad.
If she was there, dude. She was there for a full minute.
Good
What?
shit.
They didn't.
The turrets don't just build themselves.
C9.
Yes, but that doesn't mean she's actively looking at them.
She
Fucking
was.
eating
You're
was,
doing
though.
not
single
bad.
digit.
Hey, whatever, guys.
IQ
We got a good. We got a good
Why
fight.
are you
Why are we
screaming and raging? She was
fighting?
literally there spamming turrets and shooting her fucking right click at
I'm
me
not.
the
I'm not
entire time.
screaming and raging. I'm making fun of you.
You're screaming and
You're
raging.
you're embarrassing it because 8 other people can confirm you're an idiot.
An idiot about what, dude?
Dude, what's the point of calling each other idiots?
I literally saw her there, and she was rebuilding turrets as I was killing them and spamming her right click down the hallway. What am I an idiot about?
Anyway, it's the next round now. Probably doesn't matter anymore.
Yeah, we can do it.
Yeah,
I just-
exactly.
I don't understand.
And it's dead silence now.
Yeah, well, he probably hurt his throat by fucking screaming like a child.
Oh my god, people. Please.
Gotta call his mom to get him some cough drops.
Please don't fight each other.
Hey guys, let's get this first point.
Attack commences in 30 seconds.
Hi there.
Five, four, three, two, one. Attack commencing. Capture objective A.
There's no trust half. Okay, damn it.
Got some of the turrets.
We're out the shield down so everyone can come in. This you have. This you. What?
On top.
Hey.
Dude, he turned around into a wall. What an idiot.
Good job.
Yeah, we did it. Uh-huh. Nice. What? Heal anybody? Oh.
Kind of healing you expect, dude.
I thought I jumped at the right timing, but
I couldn't hit you. The balcony was in the way.
wait, you don't just. There's one. It's me on.
Heal me, I'm right beside you.
Beckon's trying to get Winston.
Fuck.
My ult is almost ready.
Hello? Maybe one heal on the tank. I haven't seen the light of healing in 4 years, guys.
Heals are on card, man.
Okay, but I'm a diva.
If I have
I'm a loose.
Siphon heal, I can't. I mean,
Alright, I understand that, obviously, but
Sorry, man. I'm just not gonna stop
What?
mid-stream on Winston when he's critical.
I was dead.
I use my ult. Save our junk, please.
Oh, why'd you wake him up? No.
Sad.
Because I was
That kind of
flying!
guy.
Oh my
You
god.
slept him as I was flying into him. I'm sorry.
Why don't we just come back here and regroup and go in together? Oh shit.
I'm gonna try to get their teleporter. Or shield gen.
The Tracer's getting counterpicked. By like 3 people.
Right, regroup. We can go in together.
Okay, he's going up top. Ah, fuck. He's not anymore.
Okay, focus, no hook. So I'm going in. What the hell? My bad. Didn't follow up the shield HP.
L stopped.
Alright, I think we can go in. Jump credit, I'll save you.
Let's go, boys.
Nice. Nice, nice. Let's go.
I got you, Anna.
Gonna lose this one.
The May
There we
fucking
go.
drones. Oh shit, you sent her into the atmosphere, bro. Yo, what the? You guys are sent him for the moon.
You guys are idiots and I love you.
Love y'all. I lost like 6 matches in a row and I finally won.